Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna make it real. You got me in my feelings. Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't want.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guys, once again, we're going to introduce one of the most hottest crypto project named Gochujang. So, basically, listed on Max and CoinGecko. You can verify each and everything because it's a matter of your investment, so it's very important. And the second thing is, let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own. Study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate best return by using GochujangCoin, so it's perfect. But my responsibility is to provide a proper guideline how basically it works. So please don't miss any part of this platform because in next few minutes I will guide you how basically it works, where you can buy that, and at the moment the current price and how much holders are there. So it's very important. So when you click on Max, so you will see the price, and also you can buy from Max and also visit on CoinGecko. So it listed on the many exchanges, and I think my favorite exchange is the Max. So thankfully it's listed on Max. So you can see here at the moment the price is 0.05100530. So you can easily buy that. It's quite acceptable price at the moment. So you can see the price and the price chart. So I will share with you the detail how basically you can buy that. You click here, you post your amount here, and you can easily buy, and within a few seconds you will see your coin will be there in your account. So it's so simple and so easy process how basically you can buy that. Next, it's very important to join the community, and when you join the community you will become the member of the community, and you will be updated with upcoming news regarding this coin. So spice up your digital wallet. So join our official Telegram channel. You can join the channel and check the white paper, because white paper is the backbone of any platform. So it's very important to verify the white paper, and each and everything will be mentioned. So next you can see the Twitter, and if you join the Twitter you will be updated with the upcoming details regarding this token. So here you can see, guys, at the moment the chart a bit down because of Bitcoin dumped down in recent few hours. So but hopefully it's pumping up now, and you can see here the chart. So hope so in future in 2025 you will see best benefits if you hold this token. So next you can see here listed on CoinGecko and DexScreener, and you can verify each and everything. Next you can see here the favor innovation, and you can see all the informations are there, and many bloggers promote this platform already. So you can see here the spicing up the crypto space, so it's perfect. And next you can play the game also. They are providing you a perfect opportunity, and each and everything is mentioned under the single platform, so it's perfect. Next you can see here play, enjoy and earn. So there are three options are available, and how basically you can play that. You will click on game, and next I will show you how you can play that. So explore the Gochujang gaming universe. So here is the universe, and you can see here the browse our center of game gallery. So there are different types of games out there, and you can easily play the game and get a reward. So how you will join this adventure? You will simply play the game, and you will be rewarded in the shape of Gochujang tokens, right? So this is the detail that it's very important to share with you, and I'm providing you all the information regarding that. So next we will see all the information about that, the community and media kits. Each and everything is available here. Next, guys, here you can see the blog. So you have to keep an eye on it, and you can see all the informations are there. And you can see K4 meme coins, GochujangCoin launches as actual Gochujang product and Gochujang platform. So these are the informations are very important to understand before start investing in any platform, because there are plenty of projects are scammed. So that's why it's very important. So next you can see here more product they are selling also, and you can see here all information from where you can buy that. So all details are mentioned here. So I hope so you briefly understand, and if you want to buy that, so you can easily buy. So this was the detail about that, and hope so you briefly understand. And if there's something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding that, and even you can join their community. And once again, I'm requesting to all subscriber investor community, it's very important to join their community on Twitter and Telegram, because lots of people will be there discussing each other, so you will be satisfied to see all the detail regarding that. So it's perfect. Next, the main thing that I was going to introduce, that is their holders and how much holder they have. Okay guys, here you can see the details for the base maintained explorer, and you can see here total blocks 23951684, and average block time you can see here 2.0 per second, and daily transaction is 7.33 million. And you can see here total transactions and next valid addresses, and each and everything is there. So next, if you scroll down a bit, so you will get more detail about that, and I will show you already working on that. So each and everything is mentioned here, so you can get more information when you scroll down a bit. So you can see here and the details and latest blocks and transactions, so each and everything is mentioned here. So next, you can see here guys, the further details are there, so hold on a bit, I will show you. You can see here guys, Gochujang, the details, address is available, price at the moment it's quite acceptable, fully due to market cap, maximum total supply you can see here 29,999,950 GochujangCoin. Holders at the moment you can see here 252,000. So, and the transfer you can see here, transfer details are there. So it's so simple and easy to understand, and how much holders are there, how much they hold these coins. So it's perfect, on all transactions are there, you can verify all transactions and earn from 300k in the monthly trading rewards. So IMAX, you can get more information about that. So hope so guys you briefly understand about that, because it's my responsibility to provide you all the detail regarding that. So all the details, all the informations are there, and if there's something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So I will be there to provide you all the details. So each and everything is mentioned. You can copy the address also, you can scan QR code available, and you can QR code use ERC20 address. So all options are available in front of your face, and you can get all the details regarding this. So hope so you briefly understand guys, and we'll move further and get more information regarding that at the moment, and we can check it out here. So we'll check DexScreener. So hold on a bit, it will take few seconds to open, and after that I will share with you all the information regarding that. So guys, here you can see on DexScreener you can get more information about this token, and you will be satisfied to see all the detail section. So I will be there always to provide you all the information. So in matter of next video guys, till then, bye bye.